Benny! Benny! Help!
Good morning, Farm Pals. Did you all sleep well? You all did? That's super great.
Uh-oh.
Who's that yelling?
Benny! 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 Help!
Oh no! That's our good friend Nessie the Swan. She might be in trouble. Let's go see. Nessie, are you all right?
It's horrible. I accidentally broke your tractor. I am so sorry, Benny.
It's all right, Nessie. Please don't be sad. You're my great pal. We can help. With our farm pals by our side, we can't be beat.
But the pieces all blew away. What will we do?
Hey, my best farm pals. Will you help Nessie with me to find all the missing tractor pieces? You all will? Thank you. Let's go.
Oh boy! Let's go! A surf on the race and go! Looking high and low, what do you see? It's me. A giggle and a wiggle, just you and me. And me. 1, 2, no let you G. The body down the G, no let you G. 1, 2, give it G. The body down the G. The for bombing, 1 for 10 to thee.
Oh, wow! It's so beautiful. La 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 la.
Everyone, welcome to Tropical Lemonade Fields. Since we made it, Farm Pals, do you see any of the tractor parts? You do? Point them out. How many do you see? Let's count. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job counting. There was 4 tractor tires. Love, send them home and keep on looking. For you, my farm pals, a golden star.
Red tractor piece. I'm going to take this.
Oh no, Jax has taken our tractor
These
pieces.
pieces are mine, Benny.
Will you help me stop him? You all will? Thank you. Let's catch up to him before he disappears. We will see you all at the next destination. Let's go. Welcome to the Jefferson's Farmers Market. You can buy all sorts of things here, like fruits and vegetables. Do you like fruits and vegetables? You do? What's your favorite? That sounds yummy. I like that too.
Haha, Benny. You think you're gonna win this time, don't ya?
There he is. I see him.
Let's blow him away, everyone. Are you ready? Inhale, exhale, big one. Last one, blow.
Wow, Benny, I'm gonna get you next time in your little dog.
Great job, my farm pals. You blew him away. Another gold star just for you. We got them. How many do you see? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You all did fantastic. Do you see any more tractor parts? Oh no! The red truck is rolling away with the last parts. Will you help me, farm pals? Yes, that's what I call teamwork. Come on. Farm pals, welcome to Colonel of the Cobb Circus. It's a fun place where you can see animals, like elephants, and eat yummy things like cotton candy. Do you like cotton candy? That's great. Wow, right. Let's go find those lost parts. Oh no, it's empty. Let's search around. Do you see the lost parts? Do you see them? Point out the parts. You all did fantastic. Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! We found the last parts. Another gold star for all of you. Look everyone, my tractor is repaired. Thank you so much.
Thank you for helping me, my forever pals.
We had so much fun today. Do you remember what shapes we saw? We saw circles, rectangles, squadron, and triangle. Great job! Hey, my best pals, it's time for us to go. But I hope to see you on the next super adventure with my good old boy Dusty the dog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!